Bonjour classe, comment allez-vous? Mais il n'y a personne. Où est tout le monde? Quelle heure il est? Mason, Juliette, Michael, Jessica, Logan, Alex Daniel. Où est tout le monde? Ah oui, c'est vrai. Aujourd'hui, on va apprendre le français par vidéo. Today, I'm using technology to teach you French. And today we're going to learn about the passé composé formed with the verb avoir. Okay, so passé composé is a past tense, okay? But it's used to talk about an action that's been completed in the past. So it has begun and finished in the past, okay? In English, we would say I ate, I have eaten, I did eat, okay? In French, we only have one structure, and it's always going to be the same, okay? We have j'ai mangé, okay? Let's look at the passé composé, okay? There's two parts in passé composé. The passé, past tense. Composé means ensemble de plusieurs éléments, okay? Which means it's composed of several elements, okay? And these elements, these two parts are one we've already learned, which is what we're going to call the helping or auxiliary verb. And it's basically être or avoir conjugated in the present tense, okay? We've already learned those, okay? And the past participle is something we haven't learned, so we'll learn that on the next slide, okay? But first, since this lesson we're just focusing on passé composé with the helping auxiliary verb avoir, let's review that. Classe, s'il vous plaît, écoutez et répétez. J'ai, tu as, il, elle, on a, vous avez, nous avons, ils, elles ont. Okay? Now, second part, something new. Okay? Your past participle. The three groups for the past participle will have different ending. And we're going to drop those endings, so the ER, the IR, and the RE, and we're going to add the appropriate past participle ending for each group. Okay? So for ER, that ending is E accent aigu. For IR, that ending is I, and for RE, that ending is U. So let's look at some example. Parler, drop the ER, add the E accent aigu. Parler, jouer, drop the ER, and add the E accent aigu. Jouer. Okay? Now notice that the pronunciation is the same. Parler, 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 parler. Pronounced the same, spelled differently. Okay? IR, you drop your IR, finir, you add the I, fini. Choisir, drop the IR, choisi. Perdre, drop the RE, add the U, perdu. And vendre, drop the RE, and add the U, vendu. And that's how you form your past participles. So, let's combine them together, the two parts, to form our passé composé. Okay, so I've color-coded for you. We have your helping / auxiliary verb. Okay, now I put helping verb and auxiliary verb together because you'll hear it both ways. Okay, it is a helping verb. It's also called an auxiliary verb. So that way, if you move on to a different teacher or you take French in the university, you know what they'll be talking about. Okay? So, in red, I have your auxiliary verb. Okay, in this case, avoir. We're just focusing on avoir for this lesson. Okay, in green, you have your past participle. So this is how your passé composé will look. Okay? Écoutez et répétez, s'il vous plaît. Jouer, to play. J'ai joué. Tu as joué. Il, elle, on a joué. Nous avons joué. Vous avez joué. Ils, elles ont joué. Choisir, to choose. J'ai choisi. Tu as choisi. Il, elle, on a choisi. Nous avons choisi. Vous avez choisi. Ils, elles ont choisi. Perdre. To lose. J'ai perdu. Tu as perdu. Il, elle, on a perdu. Nous avons perdu. Vous avez perdu. Ils, elles ont perdu. Okay. And there's your passé composé. Okay, let's take a quick look at how to form the passé composé in a negative sentence. Because it is a composed tense, two parts, your ne pas will go around your helping auxiliary verb. Okay? So look at the example. Tu n'as pas regardé la télé. Okay? Notice in the ne, because avoir starts with a vowel sound, the E drops and you replace it with an N apostrophe right here. Tu n'as pas regardé la télé. Non, parce que je n'ai pas fini mes devoirs. Okay? Again, the ne pas around the auxiliary verb, around the helping verb. Okay? And that's it for our lesson of the passé composé. Now, don't forget to fill out your video worksheet. Au revoir.